At FAE, we work every day to manufacture high-quality products that make the difference. With this in mind, every stage of our production process is carried out with intense attention to detail. From raw materials to the finished product, each step follows a clear path to produce attachments and vehicles that perform any task at maximum efficiency. Every phase is part of an integrated system in which cutting-edge technology and expertise come together to achieve the highest production standards. The passion and expertise of our people combined with advanced systems, creating a production flow that is precise, efficient, and fully controlled. In our facilities, raw materials are transformed into proprietary, purpose-designed components engineered to ensure long-term performance. Before leaving the plant, every machine undergoes rigorous testing. These checks ensure safety, reliability, and performance in real-world conditions. This is how FAE excellence comes to life, through products that make a difference wherever they go.